Alright YouTube, to this video we're unboxing BC Racing coilovers. It's good for 2012 to 2015 Honda Civic series for the 9 gen. Alright, let's go guys. And we're unboxing this bad boy. We'll see what they have inside. So, alright. And I just got last week. It's a week ago. Hopefully, it's everything in the box. It's a kind of a scrub damaged box. I think we're gonna get. Okay. Let's go to the front. Alright. BC series. Alright, look at that. Yeah. BC Racing custom coilovers. Alright. Let's see. There's a what do you call this? It's a manual and the stickers. I come with the BC Racing stickers. Alright, there. And there we go. We have end link. And this is the actual rear shock. This is the one, rear shock. Boom. And it comes with the spring, adjustable spring. Boom. And there we go. You have this is what I am talking about. Yes, this is the front coilovers. This is for the front. Whoo! Mwah. There we go. And we got two of them. We got two of them. I think it's a preload setup. Yeah, I think it's a preload setup. There we go. And the beauty of this coilovers is it cover the, you know, when you it's a camber. You can adjust it, the camber kit. You see this? Bam. You can adjust. If you want a negative or positive, come there. And there we go. It comes with the, what do you call this? Spanner kit. There we go. This one in the front, and there's one spanner from the rear. There we go, and there's another one here. This is for the rear. The same thing as the one I showed you. There we go. And they have two end link, front end link, and there's another one, shock for the rear. There you go, bam. Yeah, it's adjustable. Honda Civic FBR 12 plus Civic. Alright, this is actual shock guys, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for the BC series coilovers. Thank you for watching.